Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you stunning modern landscaping design ideas and guide for creating contemporary outdoor design for your home. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. The landscape surrounding your home is an extension of your living space. It's the welcoming embrace upon arrival and the tranquil escape at the end of a long day. Modern landscaping design takes this concept to a whole new level, transforming your outdoor environment into a sleek, functional, and visually stunning haven. But what exactly defines modern in this context? Let's delve into the essence of modern landscaping design and explore how you can incorporate this captivating aesthetic into your own backyard. Modern landscaping design is an approach that prioritizes clean lines, minimalist elements, and a seamless integration of architecture and nature. It celebrates the beauty of natural materials like stone, wood, and water features, while incorporating them in a way that feels sophisticated and organized. Think geometric shapes, pops of vibrant colors, and a focus on functionality. Unlike traditional landscapes that might favor sprawling flower beds and ornate decorations, modern design embraces a curated, purposeful approach. There are numerous advantages to embracing a modern aesthetic for your outdoor space. Here are a few key benefits to consider. First, enhanced curb appeal. A well-designed modern landscape creates a striking first impression, boosting your home's overall value and visual appeal. Second, low maintenance. Modern landscapes often utilize drought-resistant plants and efficient irrigation systems, minimizing the time and effort required for upkeep. Third, functionality. Modern design prioritizes creating usable outdoor areas. Think fire pits for socializing, built-in seating for relaxation, and designated pathways for easy navigation. Fourth, sustainability. Modern landscapes can be designed with water conservation and native plants in mind, promoting an eco-friendly environment. Fifth, timeless appeal. The clean lines and minimalist aesthetic of modern design ensure your outdoor space remains stylish for years to come. Now that you understand the core principles of modern landscaping design, let's explore how to translate them into your backyard haven. Here are some key elements to consider. First, hardscaping. Opt for clean lines and geometric shapes when it comes to patios, walkways, and retaining walls. Utilize materials like concrete, pavers, and natural stone for a sleek and sophisticated look. Second, planting. Choose a curated selection of plants that complement the clean lines of your design. Succulents, ornamental grasses, and evergreen shrubs are all excellent choices for their low-maintenance nature and architectural form. Third, focal points. Introduce a captivating focal point to your landscape, such as a modern water feature, a sculptural fire pit, or a statement art piece. Fourth, lighting. Strategically placed lighting can dramatically enhance the ambience and functionality of your space. Consider recessed lighting in patios, low-voltage path lights, and uplighting to highlight architectural features. Fifth, furnishings. Select outdoor furniture that complements the clean lines of your design. Opt for sleek, modular pieces made from weather-resistant materials like teak, concrete, or powder-coated aluminum. And to complete your inspiration, hear these: the compilation of top 10 best modern landscaping design ideas. 1. Gravel gardens. Low maintenance and visually striking, gravel gardens are a perfect embodiment of modern design. 2. Corten steel accents. Introduce a touch of industrial chic with corten steel planters, fire pits, or edging. 3. Geometric patios. Design your patio using geometric shapes like squares, rectangles, or circles for a modern touch. 4. Living walls. Incorporate a vertical garden for a unique and space-saving way to add greenery to your space. 5. Fire pits. Create a warm and inviting focal point with a modern fire pit, perfect for outdoor gatherings. 6. Water features. Introduce the soothing sound of water with a minimalist fountain or reflecting pool. 7. Decking materials. Opt for sustainable and modern decking materials like composite wood or recycled plastic. 8. Outdoor kitchens. Create a seamless extension of your living space with a sleek and functional outdoor kitchen. 9. Container gardening. Utilize stylish planters to showcase vibrant flowers, herbs, or small trees. 10. Lighting design. Design a layered lighting scheme to enhance the functionality and ambience of your outdoor space. Modern landscaping design is more than just an aesthetic choice, it's a way to create a functional, stylish, and sustainable outdoor haven that reflects your personal taste. By incorporating the principles and ideas outlined above, you can transform your backyard into a modern oasis, perfect for relaxation, entertaining, and enjoying the beauty of nature. Feeling inspired to create your own modern masterpiece? Head over to the Homes Decor Designs YouTube channel for even more landscaping tips, design inspiration, and expert advice to beautify your home. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.